Hello classmates, today we're going to do standing bicep curls. We're going to do two types. We're going to do standard and we're going to do hammer curls. Now, standing straight, back straight, arms straight. Execute exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do hammer curls. Execute. 1, looking good. 2, 3, looking good. 4, that's it. 5, keep it up. 6, that's right. 7, 8, feel it. No pain, no gain. 9, 10, that's good. Now the rep requirement, remember, is always from 6 to 10 repetitions and at least 3 sets. And there you have it, standing bicep exercise.